Hi kids! This is teacher Erica and welcome to our math lesson. Our topic for today is about circle and triangle. So please know that this is just a introduction of the circle and the triangle. Okay? So for the circle, this is the example of a circle. Okay, I will just share to you the parts of the circle. So the point here, it is called center. Everybody please say center. Okay, it is called the center because it is here, alright? So another part is radius. Okay, from center going to the any point, okay, here it is a radius. Okay, again, radius. And if it is composed of two radius, okay, from here, from one point on the circle across the center to another point on the circle, it is called a diameter. Everybody please say diameter. Okay, so these are the parts of the circle. Again, center point or the center, radius, and the diameter. So you really have to know the parts of the circle for the next lesson that we have about the circle, right? So next is the triangle. This one is a triangle. So this side, this one, and this one, it is called a side. Alright, again, side. And this triangle has a one right angle. Okay, it forms a perfect L. Alright, this one here. So it measures 90 degrees. If the angle measures 90 degrees, it is called a right angle. So let's talk about types of triangles. If it's biside, first is equilateral triangle. So when you say equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. So again, equilateral triangle has three equal sides. So for example, if this side is 60 meters, so all the sides has the same or have the same measures. Next is the isosceles triangle. Again, isosceles triangle. This is the example of isosceles triangle, which has two equal sides. For example, this side is 50 centimeters and this side is also 50 centimeters. And this side is not equal to the other two sides. For example, this side is just a 40 centimeters. Okay? So again, it has only two equal sides. Another one is a scalene triangle. This is the example of the scalene triangle. The scalene triangle has no equal sides. This time, it has no equal sides. Let's say 40, 50, 60. So, no equal. Next, types of triangles by angle. So the first is acute triangle. So the types of triangle based on its angle. So acute triangle, which all the angles measures less than 90 degrees. Okay, what's the less than 90 degrees? 89, 40, 45, okay? As long as the measure is 90 or less than 90 degrees, so it's an acute triangle. Okay, right triangle, which means, so this is example, and as you can see, it has a perfect L here. So it has one angle, which is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, let's say this one here. It's a right triangle. Obtuse triangle, this one, has one angle that is more than or greater than 90 degrees. So what's the greater than 90 degrees? For example, 95, 100, 120. Okay? So if the triangle has one angle that has more than 90 degrees, so it is an obtuse triangle. So these are the types of triangles that you need to know, alright, according to its side or by side and by angle. So if it's by side, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, and if it's by angle, acute triangle, right triangle, and obtuse triangle. So that's all for today. This is just about the introduction for the circle and the triangle. So you just have to memorize the name and the parts of the circle and the name or the types of the triangles, and that's all. So thank you for watching, kids. Goodbye.